Today, we're diving into how generative AI and agentic AI are changing the way organizations use artificial intelligence. Over the last few years, generative AI tools like ChatGPT and image generators have become mainstream, helping people create text, images, code, and more with simple prompts. Now, a new wave is emerging: Agentic AI. These are AI systems that can think, plan, and act on their own with very little human input. In this session, we'll unpack both concepts, understand current industry trends, and explore how AI is transitioning from small pilots to large-scale real-world applications inside companies. Generative AI is the type of AI that creates new content. You give it a prompt, and it can generate text, images, videos, or even software code. It works through foundation models, huge neural networks trained on massive amounts of data. Tools like ChatGPT, Stable Diffusion, DALL-E, and GitHub Copilot are the most popular examples. Since late 2022, adoption has skyrocketed. A large number of organizations are already using generative AI in at least one business function, and analysts predict that in the next couple of years, most companies will deploy generative AI at scale. In short, what used to be a research topic is now a mainstream engine for content creation and analysis. Agentic AI takes things a step further. Instead of just generating content, these systems can plan, reason, and perform multi-step tasks on their own. Think of it this way. Instead of telling an AI every single step, you simply give it a goal. For example, optimize our supply chain, and the system breaks the task into steps, gathers information, and takes action. This makes agents very different from traditional assistants. Assistants wait for prompts. Agents act proactively. They combine generative models with tools, APIs, and logic so they can actually do the work, not just describe it. Here's the difference in simple terms. Generative AI is creative. It writes, paints, analyzes, and produces content when you ask for it. Agentic AI is operational. It uses generative AI to think, but also takes actions, makes decisions, and completes tasks on its own. A generative AI chatbot may write your email. An agentic AI system will write the email, send it, schedule the meeting, create reminders, and follow up, all without waiting for instructions. This shift from reactive to proactive systems is what makes agentic AI a major breakthrough in automation. Industry experts widely describe 2025 as the year of the AI agent. The conversation has moved beyond chatbots. Now, agents are being designed to handle whole workflows. Research shows that nearly a quarter of companies are already using agentic AI in at least one area of their business, and many more are experimenting. Organizations are moving past pilots and beginning to embed agents into their core operations: finance, supply chain, HR, customer support, and more. Simply put, AI is no longer something companies test. It's becoming something they run on. AI usage inside companies is rising fast. A large majority use AI in at least one function, but only about 1/3 have scaled it widely across the organization. Larger companies and high-performing AI adopters lead the way. Many of these firms report clear benefits, especially in cost savings. Functions like software engineering, manufacturing, and IT show some of the strongest results. The bigger picture is that businesses are shifting from experimentation to operational impact, improving efficiency, reducing costs, and speeding up decision-making with AI. Let's look at how AI is being used today. Finance. Goldman Sachs uses generative AI tools to write and test code. Developers report significant productivity gains, with nearly 40% of coding tasks automated. Telecom. Telstra uses AI agents to help customer service teams, reducing repeat calls and saving valuable time. Healthcare. Companies are using AI to discover new drugs and analyze protein structures much faster than before. Manufacturing. Agents monitor equipment, predict failures, and schedule repairs, reducing downtime and improving factory efficiency. These examples show that AI isn't just assisting. It's becoming part of everyday operations. Together, generative and agentic AI bring several key advantages. They automate repetitive work and manage complex, multi-step tasks. They help employees focus on creativity, strategy, and decision-making. They support innovation, from personalized customer experiences to rapid prototyping. They offer cost savings and operate continuously without fatigue. For companies that adopt them well, these systems become powerful engines for productivity and growth. Of course, these opportunities come with responsibilities. Organizations must ensure that agents operate within ethical and safe boundaries. Trust and transparency matter. Companies need clear visibility into how AI makes decisions. High-quality data and strong technical infrastructure are essential. Many businesses still need to upgrade systems to support agentic workflows. There's also the human side, training teams, adapting processes, and managing change. Finally, risks like bias, errors, or unintended actions increase when AI becomes autonomous. So having proper oversight and human-in-the-loop mechanisms becomes crucial. Looking ahead, AI adoption will continue to accelerate. Investment, usage, and enterprise deployment are all rising. Experts predict that generative AI will be nearly universal in businesses within the next few years, with agentic AI following closely. The most successful companies will be those that integrate AI deeply into their workflows, while keeping humans at the center of the design and oversight process. In conclusion, we're entering a new phase of AI, one where autonomous systems work alongside people to enhance productivity, unlock innovation, and transform how organizations operate.